Hello, my name is VTuber Kasumi, and today I just want to go over how to set up your VTuber model in OBS. Okay, so firstly, we are going to want to double click on our screen, and then it pops up this window on the left hand side. Then we're going to select the change background right here. We're going to select, I believe it's background 8. We're going to select that one. It brings us to a green screen. Make sure to click this cancel button right here to close out of that bar. Once you're done with that, we are going to click on your OBS. Mine looks a little funky right now. I'm going to close this window so you can see what I'm doing. Now that we're in here, to add your VTuber model, you're going to go down here to click this plus symbol. And then when you click that plus symbol, you're going to look for window capture. Click on it. Name it VTuber model. I'm putting the X's because I'm going to delete this after this video. So don't copy that. Make it whatever you want. For example, VTuber model, because it's going to be your character. Click OK. Now it's going to prompt you to this window. Go ahead and select Windows 10 and up. Click OK. So now you're going to notice like, hey, where's my VTuber model? Okay, don't worry. Don't worry about that just yet. Click on your VTuber model, the one you just made. It should have the name on it in your sources tab. Then to the left, we're going to see this option. It says filters. Click on it. Now, we don't worry about this first part, but we go down below it. Below it says effects filters. Click this plus symbol. Then we're going to add a chroma key. Just click OK. It doesn't matter what the name is. And then you're going to select green. I don't really mess with these settings, but whatever you want to put on them, like make them match mine if you'd like. I don't know what the effects do for the different colors. So just click close. Now we have the chroma key added under the effect filters. Click close. Then come back to your VTuber model. Double click on it. Then make sure your VTube Studio is open. As you see, mine is down here. Then you're going to click on hold on one second. I have to open it first. You're gonna select VTube Studio. And then click OK. Now, as you can see, my VTuber model is now on here. Just make sure that your VTuber model is not minimized. Because if, for example, if I click this minimize button, boom, she's gone. So just make sure you have it open in the background so that your VTuber model will appear. Now, if you do not add your chroma key correctly, for example, if I delete this, we're gonna have that green screen again. So just make sure to apply your chroma key exactly how I said. And then, ta-da! Your VTuber model is now here. Thank you again for watching. If you like content like this, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And I will see you next time.